All right, so I've been wheeling and now I have this. I've looked online. I think it's a dirty wheel sensor. I've tried doing the reset. There is a reset online where it says you can turn your key on and turn your steering wheel 180 degrees one way, hold your ECS button down here for 7 seconds, turn 180 degrees the other way, and then that should hold that button again. That should reset it. It did, but then it came back on. That tells me there's something else going on. Everything's straight, so there's nothing that's really concerning me. I don't feel any wobble. So I'm thinking it's either a bad sensor or a dirty sensor. So I'm gonna go up here. I've realized that the sensor is in the front. I can see it inside of here, but I gotta get the wheel and the caliper off to get to it. So I'm loosening up the bolts. I'm gonna take the wheel off, take the caliper off, and go from there. With all of that disassembled, I got everything behind me and then beside me. Looks like an Allen wrench or a hex head is gonna fit here. I got some brake cleaner. I'm gonna wipe everything down as I take this out, and I'm gonna see if the sensor is dirty, okay? And mine's a 2016 Jeep JK. Apparently it's a 3/16 that fits in here. All right, let me get some attachments and I'll get that out. All right, so that came right out. Let's go ahead and pull this. It's my first time doing this. This should just pull right out. I might need a screwdriver. Hang on. Okay, I would say it's safe to say that is nasty. I did have to twist this up with the wire facing the other way to get it out, but let's clean this and do the other side and see if that fixes my little light problem. All right, a little bit of brake cleaner. That looks a lot better, don't it? All right, let's put it back in and see if that, well, I can do the other side too and then see if that fixes it. All right, this is the passenger side. We're gonna call it 2 for 2 for being dirty. How about that? So let's clean this one and we'll put it all back together and then hopefully that'll fix my problem. All right, so the front ones didn't do the job. I came back and I found the rear ones. This is a pain in the butt to get off the end of the sensor. Obviously you can tell the speed sensor thing is filthy, so I'll clean that. But to get this off, you have to slide this red pin back and then push on this black thing while wiggling it. It is awful to get off there. But now it's off, so I can clean it and put it back together, and then I'll do the other side. I will say that I watched a video online and it said to use some WD-40 to help that get unseized. You don't want to break that because then you got to replace it. But all right, so this is the last one. Let's take it out. All right, it'd be safe to say this one could use a little cleaning too. This does go all the way through here. I'm guessing this has a polarity charge because as it goes through this hole, where is it? There it is. As it goes through this hole, you can see it right here where it's up against this little thing turning. I guess that's your speed sensor actually right there. But yeah, I could see how that would get dirty. But let's clean it again. And this is like the last one.